Okay, my left-handed friends, today let's learn how to do the long and lacy treble crochet stitch. When we start a row of treble crochets, we chain 4 to create the height needed for the row. To begin the treble crochet, we will yarn over 2 times prior to inserting your hook in the next stitch. Now insert your hook into the next stitch and yarn over once again. Draw the yarn over through the stitch to end up with 4 loops on your hook. As we did with the double crochet, we will work these loops off 2 at a time. So yarn over your hook and draw it through the first 2 loops on your hook for 3 loops left. Yarn over and draw through only 2 loops once again for 2 loops left on your hook. Yarn over and draw through the last 2 loops. You have created a treble crochet stitch. Let's do it again. Yarn over twice and insert your hook in the next stitch. Then yarn over and draw through for 4 loops on your hook.
Now begin working off the 4 stitches 2 at a time.
Continue practicing across the row, noticing how tall and lacy this stitch is. If you found this video useful and would like to see more left-hand videos, please hit like and subscribe.